So we got a PO400 on a 2020 Ford Transit. You gotta change the EGR valve. People say you gotta take the whole water outlet off. You don't. All you need to do is take the throttle body off. And then what you see down there, you can take that pulling hose off. The EGR is water cooled, so you're gonna pull it anyways. And you can get a wobble 10mm, get the fitted bolt behind that water neck. Here you can see the carbon all built up, so this EGR was just sticking intermittently. You can see the new one's all clean.